Hello and welcome to Style Rep. I am Sunana Mundra and today I am going to show you how to create artistic alcohol ink coasters. Before we start, please consider subscribing my channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. So look at the beauty of the coasters we are going to create today. I can't take off my eyes from this. Alcohol ink techniques are very fascinating, so I always wanted to learn it. Now I thought of sharing this quick and easy tutorial with you all as well. So let us get into making this. These are the coasters which my daughter made before creating this tutorial. This was at her learning stage. So you can see here are few mistakes she had made. This is kind of few patches of inks are created over here which should not be seen. Actually, I should not say mistakes because in art there are no mistakes, only learnings. I am showing you this because I just want to let you know how to make it in a correct way. So I'll start unboxing this set of 5 acrylic coasters with you all. I purchased this from iCraft. They come with rings for individual coasters. It helps us to create a frame when we do resin work on top of this. First, I'll remove the paper from the surface of the coaster. Now coming to the colors. I'll list the name of all the supplies in the description box for your reference. Now, this is the blending solution which we will use to blend the colors. This is the heat tool I am going to use to blow the inks. Please excuse me for the messy tool. This is because I have used it multiple times. I'll start with the very first step, that is cleaning the coasters with a wet cloth. I would always suggest you to keep a wet cloth handy while doing alcohol ink projects because these inks dries very fast. Here I start layering different alcohol inks to the coasters. We just need to create a wave from these colors. I wanted to create a colorful thing, so I have used 2 or 3 different contrast colors. They are highly soluble inks, so we do not need to use much of the techniques to create the effects. I will blend these 2 colors using this blending solution. Now I'll be using the heat tool to blow the inks and see the colors already start merging. We can always add more of the blending solution if we are not happy with the effects created. Also, we need to use the heat tool in an angle so that all the colors are blown to blend together. It is so soothing to watch these effects of colors blending together. I will repeat the same process with the green color ink as well. It looks absolutely pretty when the colors blends together. Now I want to give a little of metallic effect in between the colors, so I am going to use this Moon White metallic alcohol ink over here. I am adding just a few drops here and there. Again using the blending solution to blend the colors. At some places colors have already started blending together. You can also use golden metallic colors. They also look equally pretty. Color choice is all up to you. And this is how it looks when it dries up. I will show you coloring all the 5 coasters, but now when you know how to create alcohol ink coasters, I have speeded up the process so that the video may not be too lengthy and you may enjoy watching this as well. If you are not very much into making creative stuffs but still want to give someone a beautiful handmade memorable gift, then this would be a perfect idea for you. Trust me, this will not require much of the skills but will look kind of wow if you gift someone. I have used alcohol ink in acrylic base. You can use the same in glass and MDF base as well. A lot of people use specific blowers to create effects in alcohol ink projects. If you have the same or if you are willing to purchase the same, it also does its work equally great. I have given you all the possible information on how to create beautiful coasters in easy and tricky way. Hope this is helpful for you. Still, if you have any queries, please leave a message in the comment box. I'll try my best to help you with the same. Also, if this inspires you and you're going to create something similar, please don't forget to tag me or my page. I would love to see your creations. This is the first part of video where I have shown you how to make alcohol ink coasters. In the second part of video, I'll be showing you how to add resin to the same. Resin would add a beautiful glossy finish to the coasters and they would be washable as well. So don't miss out my upcoming video as well if you want to learn the techniques of pouring resin. I am almost done with the coloring part. And here I have added rings which we got along with the coasters. Adding these rings was not a rocket science. I just used this transparent glue to add the rings. You can use any of the transparent glue available with you. And the coasters are ready to add on the beauty of my dining table. I hope you enjoyed watching this one and all your doubts regarding alcohol ink techniques are clear now. Once again reminding you to like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Keep creating and spreading happiness. Thank you.